Hi everyone. Today we're going to show you how to set up your Arlo Essentials second generation indoor camera. Let's get started. Let's start by showing what all comes with the product. A welcome card, the Arlo Essential Indoor Camera, a power adapter, wall mount and screw kit, and a quick start guide. Before starting the setup process of the Arlo Essential Indoor Camera, be sure to download and open the Arlo Secure app first. The Arlo Secure app lets you access your Pioneer Arlo account in the cloud to set up and manage all your Arlo devices. You can either search for the Arlo Secure app in your phone's App Store or scan this QR code. For help with signing up for an Arlo Secure app account, scan this QR code or visit the Pioneer Telephone Co-op YouTube channel. Your Arlo Essential Indoor Camera will come out of the box pre-installed on a shelf stand for easy installation. To power on your Arlo Essential Indoor Camera, connect the USB-C power cord on the camera to the included power adapter. Then, plug the power adapter into a power outlet where you'll be placing the camera. The privacy shield on the camera will open once the camera is powered on and ready. No additional work is required. Simply plug the camera into a power outlet to finish installation. Next, you will need to add your indoor camera to your Arlo Secure app. To learn how to add your device to your Arlo Secure app, scan this QR code or visit the Pioneer Telephone Co-op YouTube channel. After you have added your indoor camera to your Arlo Secure app, to view your camera feeds, first, you will need to open the Arlo Secure app. Then tap Play on the camera feed. The camera feed updates and the camera feed icons will display. To stop viewing and listening to the live feed, tap Stop. Next, we will show you how to enable and disable your privacy shield. To enable, first launch the Arlo Secure app. Next, tap Routines. Select Arm Away, Arm Home, or Standby. Then tap Add Device Rules. Then select Arlo Essential Indoor Camera. Click Save. To disable, launch the Arlo Secure app. Next, tap Routines, select Arm Home or Standby. Then select Arlo Essential Indoor Camera under Rules. Next, tap the Motion Detected or Audio Detected switch. Then tap Delete Rules. To learn more about the Arlo Secure app and the features offered, such as dashboard, arm and standby modes, and others, scan this QR code or visit the Pioneer Telephone Co-op YouTube channel. If you need more help or have any questions, visit us at gopioneer.com/support.